So I was told that the Cricut Explore 5 is faster than the Explore 4 if we do a print and cut project. So today we're going to run a print and cut project to see which one is faster, and check out my previous video where I unboxed the Explore 5, gave you a breakdown, let you know if you should or should not get this machine. But let's start with this print and cut project. Okay, so this is going to be the print and cut for both machines. And the settings is the glitter cardstock setting for both, so we can see which one is going to cut faster. 1, 2, 3. So for this portion of the video, I did not speed it up because I want you to see the cutting in real time. If you don't want to sit through it, it's about 2 minutes. You can just fast forward to the ending to see which one won and what time it ended for each cut. Now, if you want to see the unboxing and my actual true opinion on the new Explore 5, I do have a previous video that I mentioned before, and I'll mention again, of me unboxing and showing all the features and the difference between the two machines. I also did a race on regular cardstock, and it turned out the Explore 4 was faster than the Explore 5 for that project. So let's sit and see which one is going to be faster for this print and cut project. Oh, it did? It did? It actually is a little faster than the Explore 4. Okay, there we go. So when you're doing a print and cut, the Explore 5 is faster. If you're doing like a regular cut on cardstock, the 4 was actually faster. So I guess that's a good thing to know. All right, let's see if, and it's a nice and clean print and cut. Both of them print and cut really good. And there you have it. The Explore 5 is faster than the Explore 4 when you do a print and cut project, but not for a cut project. Check out my last unboxing video of the Explore 5 to see that cut project. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.